Hello everyone and welcome to episode number 2 of my graphic design vlog. So today we're going to be designing a poster just like this. So first thing, I'm going to start with a 1700 by 2400 artboard and I'm going to press create. Please create. Nice. I'm going to just get my Illustrator interface back. And let's see the poster just for reference. Okay, I used the word cynosure, something like this. Cynosure. Let's just go back to Google. I think I have it here. Cynosure. So I just go into Google and search beautiful words in English. I always do that when I need a word for my posters. So I'm gonna use this word here. Gonna go get my Helvetica New font. Let's just see, maybe the medium one, Helvetica New Condense, and then just gonna change this to the medium one. Perfect. I'm gonna right click and create outlines, and then I'm gonna start making a nice composition with these letters. I'm gonna ungroup it so I can move each one individually. I'm gonna scale up. We're gonna start with the E, so I leave nice space for the top. So I'm gonna start from the back from the end to the beginning. That's it. I'm gonna make a really nice composition. Try to make if you're following this exercise, try always to make in this type of design posters, try to make as dynamic as you can, making the fonts rotating a little bit, creating these really nice diagonal lines. I'm not gonna use a grid today. I'm gonna leave it free a little bit, and then I'm gonna just try to use the artboard as my container for my design. I'm gonna leave this cynosure, maybe the R, something like here. I'm just trying to match the one I did before without looking at it, just for memory. U, just trying to make this U really nice, balanced here. Maybe it's too big. Can't forget I have all the letters to put on this one here, cynosure. Just make it really nicely scaled as well. Cynosure, maybe the S here. How much space do I still have? Okay, so maybe I can actually scale maybe the U and the R together, and then I can just rotate this R a little bit, put it here, just move it, and then the U here, scale it to match the artboard. Cyno, I really like this type of just font typography posters. I think they work really well as visually. I'm gonna make this. I can't forget I have actually still have 3 letters to lay out here. I can always go back and just adjust this. I'm gonna make this Y. So I don't have space for the C, as you can see now, but maybe I need to adjust some little bits here. Maybe we're gonna make the U, reduce from the beginning, and start matching them a little bit better. I should probably have scaled them really big all together and then just match them. But now it's too late, I guess, and just gonna embrace what I've done. So just gonna move this one here, and then maybe this one here. So I have space for the Y here, and then the C, I need to scale it up. The C always can, it has this nice C gap there. I can always play with the gap, which is really cool. Always create some really nice space there. And yeah, maybe something like this. Maybe I will overlay some letters actually. Maybe I should just overlay it and embrace it. Some letters starting like this. And maybe actually I don't know if I want that actually. Let's just rotate it, try to find a nice position for the Y. Maybe if I rotate the C a little bit so I can have more space for the Y here. Something like this. Then I scale the Y down. And maybe the U, O down, maybe move the O here. Scale it down there. Make it here. you just try to find a way so it looks nice as well. Like you want this first part of the poster to be looking really nicely, really nice balance. Just there. I'm gonna rotate this there. Yeah. I kind of feeling it. I really like the negative space around it. I like these shapes happening here, which is really cool. So, oh no, this S is actually touching the letter N there. And Cynosure. I think as it is right now, like, it's a really powerful typography poster. Cynosure. Sure. Okay, yeah. Maybe the order of the letters should be a little different. Maybe the N should be here and the O here, and then so it can actually makes more sense when we are reading it. And then the U here. Yeah, it needs to be a little bit. Just being a little bit perfectionist, but I really want this to make a little bit more sense than it's making right now. So I'm just going to rotate this one. Need to find a way to put this U here and make a nice negative space for the U. And the S, maybe I can just rotate the S. There is like this diagonal line here happening. Maybe we can use it like this. Cynosure, yeah. I think it's looking better now. Cool, as we use the artboard as a container, so let's just maybe keep using it like here as well. Nice. Quite happy. Then we are gonna add a little bit of like circles as graphics here. Just going to go to our toolbar here, get ellipse tool. Let's just see how much time we're already in. Just like make a nice circle, and then I'm gonna use some pop art colors. Let's go to window, swatches, art history, pop art, and then I'm gonna use like, I think I use a darker background. Yeah, it was a dark background. Before I actually go to apply some of these circles, I'm gonna apply the background actually. I'm gonna just make a little nice background and then I'm gonna be sure it's full black. And I'm gonna get the letters and I leave the letters. I think they are still white. Yeah, the letters are white with a dark stroke. White letters and black stroke, and the stroke I used a value of 10, and the stroke should be white. Perfect. So we need a stroke because we're gonna add some elements, and then we want the stroke to evident the elements a little bit more. So I'm gonna use this circle here we made before. Maybe I'm gonna apply a nice yellow color to it. Yeah, perfect. And then I'm gonna just push the letters in front. As you can see here, this is what I was talking about, having the stroke. It makes it easier to understand the shape of the letters. And then I'm gonna use this one. So here I want to use the intertwine tool. Let's just go to object and then select intertwine and make. And let's just intertwine these two elements here. See if we can make it perfectly. I knew I missed there. Let's just try again. Be sure to make it inside of the shapes you want. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it this one like this because the Y actually will cover most of part of the Y and then will not be very easy to read it. Let's just select all these letters again and just change the stroke to a round corner here. I like the round corners better. And the R is actually touching the stroke there. Cool. Next, let's just make another sphere. Something like this. Apply maybe a warm color again. Maybe like a nice red. I think I use a nice red as well. That an example I showed you. I think I applied the stroke here as well. Let's just apply a stroke really quick. Make it 10. And change it again to black. Yeah. Nice. Let's move this one forward. And yeah, this one looks alright. Let's just move it. Try to match the composition a little bit better. And then I'm gonna make another letter here. Move the E further. Maybe leave the N a little bit. Uncover there. And then maybe apply a yellow. Maybe the same yellow as before. Yeah, and then just another one with a reddish color. Maybe you should have a third color. Let's just see if we add the orange. No, let's just keep 2 colors. Will be alright, just 2 colors. Maybe we can just scale this one up a little bit so we cover a little bit more elements. Maybe I move this one. What if I scale this one and then I move the R up to front? A bit like this. Maybe this is too boring, the composition. Maybe it's very aligned. Maybe I need to de-align. Not align so much. De-align. I was trying to make a new word. And maybe another one here. I'm gonna make it yellow. And a smaller one. Maybe in the corner, and then I'm gonna make it asymmetrical orange. And I feel something missing there, but I think it's alright. Cool. What else we have here? We have some nice shiny glows there. Let's just apply them then. Select our ellipse tool. Let's just make a perfect ellipse. Go to effects, convert to shape. No, distort and transform. Apply a pucker and bloat. Love this tool. -100. Make it really sharp and nice. I used like a white star. It worked better. Maybe I should change the stroke to something like different. See how it works. Maybe like because the stroke right now is black. Maybe if I use a stroke that's like a different color, it could work a little bit better, more easier to see as well. Let's just see. Let's just have a look. How many? Maybe purple work nicely. Yeah. Maybe purple would be a nice color. Will complement the colors of the poster. I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller. Should I actually change the stroke of this? Because right now I'm using like a 10 stroke. Maybe if I use it for... Nah, keep the same stroke. What was I thinking? Changing the strokes. I just don't like it purple. Sorry guys. I'm just gonna make it gray, dark gray. I'm gonna apply another one here. S letter. Always be sure to make like everything. When you have like repeated elements, always be sure like to make them in a different direction so they don't feel just like copy and paste in there. And then here. I'm gonna just do this one here as well. Be nice. Cool. And what else we had there? We had like a nice glowing thing happening here. I think I used the blob brush tool. Yeah, it was. So it's just like a thick brush. It's very organic. It's really hard to make something very precise, but it's really nice to make like something more organic if you want to. For some reason, mine is just doing something that I didn't ask for. What's going on? Okay, it's something here. I shouldn't. Fidelity smooth, maybe. Oh, it's because I'm doing it on a Perker and bloat element here, probably. Let's just try again. Yeah, nice. So, oops, not this one. This one. Just gonna add. What's going on? Oh my god, this is annoying. Yeah, he's doing it again. I'm just gonna make a new layer. It's really quick. New layer, and then be sure he's not making no. So just gonna add a little bit of elements like this brush tool, just to add a little bit more details here, like shiny details. And I'm gonna make not even shiny, like a shadow detail or something like that. Actually, just something like this here. It's the same thing for here. And yeah, pretty much there. I had also some in the letters, but I changed the size of the stroke to something smaller, like 25. And then just gonna zoom in and add some nice details. The good thing about this tool is because it's so organic, it takes a little bit away the digital feeling these vector posters can have sometimes. Because sometimes vector posters, everything is so perfect and like the lines are perfect, they have the same stroke and stuff. This brush tool actually takes it away, breaks a little bit of the perfect line and makes the poster a little bit more interesting, at least in my opinion. Like, I like to see like when like some people use this to add details. It breaks the digital part of it, gives it a little bit more humanized things to the, I need to, gives it a little bit more human hand in the vector world, I think. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. Maybe something like this. Maybe actually one on this sphere as well. Signature. And just gonna add more details here really quick, so I don't take much of your time today. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this series, my vlog series. I wanted to make it like not so much as a tutorial, but I didn't want to make that very long as well, because I know I don't watch, like, it takes me a while to watch an hour video. So I need to think about like what type of videos I watch and I like to watch. And how long is this video already? 17 minutes. Okay, I will make sure at least max 20 minutes, okay? And because that's the length of videos I normally watch. Yeah, signature. I'm really happy with this poster already. Hope you are happy too, and I hope you do this exercise. And if you do, please just share with me on Instagram. I love when you all just do the tutorials and then tag me on Instagram when you do them. It makes my day. I woke up this morning and that happened. Like, I had a message on my Instagram and then just made me so happy. Like, oh my god, yes, this is, you know, if you make one person smile in your lifetime, it's already worth it. It's like the same thing on YouTube. If you make someone do your exercise and post it and share it and tag you, it's already worth it. And I've been very lucky with a lot of you doing that. And I just wanted to tell you that I really appreciate that, and it makes me really energized and gives me a lot of inspiration to keep going. Just gonna make this like that. And yeah, before we finish, I'm gonna just apply a layer of grain. Again, I love a little grain. I'm gonna just make a new layer here. Gonna make it black, like this, a really dark gray. I think black is actually better. And then I'm going to effects, and then texture, grain, and then I'm gonna apply grain. I use the stippled grain. It's really cool. And then just by OK. Change the blending mode to screen. Make it like 15%, so it's not like in your face. And yeah, it's pretty much it. I'm probably just going to lock the grain layer, and then I'm gonna select all these elements. I'm gonna scale them down just a little bit, like, yeah, 95% maybe. And just gonna make the background same size, because I want the background to be, yeah. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the poster today. I will probably do this format. I don't want to make very long videos. I will do the poster first, and then I will make a vlog telling the process of that poster. I think that's the best way to go. Well, thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed, and please, if you did, don't forget to like. And if you're not subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe. And also don't forget to check the other videos. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much. I see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye bye.